No, it speaks to the embarrassing level to which West Indies cricket has fallen when there is a prolonged national debate as to whether or not West Indies ODI captain Shea Hope should or should not return to the Test team. And may I tell you, there is a riveting case being made that Hope, who averages 25 in Test cricket, should replace current Test batsmen such as Ruston Chase and Raymond Reefer, who also average on or about 25. Yes. So this gripping debate is all about which rubbish batsman should play over which rubbish batsman in the West Indies team. So we're not discussing how poor all our batsmen are across the region, but which poor batsman should get a chance over which poor batsman. While invariably, at the end of the day, the West Indies continue to scratch the surface of relevance and respect by perennially scraping the bottom of the barrel in international cricket. But out of this, we seem to have found our new and true passion. Yes, debating poor quality versus poor quality instead of improving the poor quality. Big up,